bleeding all over the place. Sliced my finger pretty good. I don't know. Hey everyone, I'm back. I picked up some carpet for the sides. Just today I'm hoping to get my carpeting done. I have a couple holes that I need to drill for my inverter. My inverter control panel, my battery control, battery monitor I should say, sorry. And I think one hole for my 12 volt plugs and my USB plugs that I'm going to have in the truck as well. So let's get at her. Thanks. Fuck, I should have had one of these a long time ago. Oh yeah, boy. Fits perfectly. Now that I have that fixed, it's time to lay out the carpet. I need to measure some and cut it to size so I don't waste too much. All right, perfect, thanks. Well, everyone, this is why you have to be careful. I'm pretty much bleeding all over the place. Sliced my finger pretty good. I don't know. There we go. I have all the carpet cut. So now I'm just going to use some spray adhesive and I'm going to spray the board. I'm going to dust it off a little bit first, but then I'm going to use a spray adhesive and then stick down the carpet. And hopefully it'll stick better. It is peel and stick, but I would like a little bit of extra hold, I'm hoping. So here we go. I'm going to point the arrows towards Yeah, always make sure where the arrows are going, because that'll change color. Depending on which way you put it, it'll be a different color. Hey everyone, I'm back. Sorry, my camera's died the last time I was here, so I got quite a bit done. I wired in my electrical. I did most of the carpeting in my truck on all the boards. I installed my plugs for my inverter, installed my inverter, my DC charger, the whole shebang. So here we are again. Let's get at it. Never fails, always gets tangled. Well, I ran into a little bit of a problem. I'm kind of nervous that I'm not going to have enough space. Enough length to get around to the other side, so I'm gonna just move the other ones a bit so I can get an extra few feet. Okay. Well, anyway, I ran into a little bit of an issue. It might not be too bad, just some Googling. I need to Google how to connect one of those replacement plugs to an extension cord. I'm not too sure how to do it, so I'll be back. Well, everyone, wow, that was a pain in my butt to get these done. I did these off camera so I wouldn't be swearing and cursing, but yeah, not a fun job. They just were not cooperating, but I got them done. Perfect. I'll see you in a bit. Alrighty, everyone. I got quite a bit done. I just need to hook up my switches, but here's what I've had done so far. Yeah, so the only thing I need to do is my switches, and this part's done, and then I just need to move over to my 12-volt plugs, wire that, and then I think I might be pretty close to starting to put this thing together. Perfect. I'll see you in a bit. there you have it. I'm pretty much done this section. It's ready to be installed. The only thing I have left is my lights on the topper are going to hook into this switch. There's a couple spots down here for them, so I'm going to have to do that. Now I'm going to move on to the next thing. It's the 12-volt plug, right? Next thing I'm going to work on is the 12-volt plug. I'll see you then. Ran into a little issue. I have to go on YouTube. Well, I got it figured out. Let's go. Well, I figured it out. I forgot to hit play, but here it is. Got that all done. And this. I got a couple minor things to do. I'm trying to get my power management system up and running. I realized the connectors I had on the end of the battery are too small, so I have to swap them out, and I had to move a few things around. So. Well, everyone, I think I'm going to call her a day. I'm struggling with this power issue. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. My inverter won't turn on, but my battery's charged, but there's no power from the battery downward, so I have something screwed up. So I'll have to figure it out. I'll catch you the next time. Thanks. Bye. Can you guys do me a favor? Like and subscribe my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That would be awesome. Thank you.